Hi, my name is Serenity, and in this video I'll be talking about heart complications, specifically left ventricular aneurysms. Complications are often related to damage done to your heart during a heart attack, which can lead to abnormal heart rhythms. Electrical short circuits can develop, resulting in abnormal heart rhythms, some of which can be serious and may lead to death. A heart attack occurs when the flow of blood to the heart is blocked. The blockage is most often a buildup of fat, cholesterol, and other substances found in the blood, which form a plaque in the arteries that feed the heart. The cardiac muscle. The cardiac muscle, also called myocardium in vertebrates, one of the three major muscle types found only in the heart, is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body. The left ventricle. The left ventricle is where blood from the left atrium is pumped throughout this chamber out through the aortic valve into the aorta. An aneurysm is an excessive localized enlargement of an artery caused by a weakening of the artery wall. Aneurysms often have no symptoms until they rupture. A thrombus is a blood clot in the circulatory system, and it attaches to the site in which it is formed and remains there, hindering blood flow. A thrombus is most likely to occur in people who are immobile and in those who have a genetic predisposition to blood clotting. Swelling. It happens when your small blood vessels leak fluid into nearby tissue. Doing so creates an excessive amount of fluid. Swelling occurs when the heart is diseased or the overworked left ventricle isn't able to pump out enough blood that it receives from your lungs. A blood clot is a clump of blood that has changed from a liquid to a gel-like semi-solid state. A blood clot in your heart causes a heart attack. An embolism. An embolism is an obstruction in the blood vessel due to a blood clot or other foreign matter that gets stuck while traveling through the bloodstream. In a pulmonary embolism, a common illness, blood flow is blocked at the pulmonary artery. When emboli blocks the main pulmonary artery, and in cases where there are no initial symptoms, a pulmonary embolism is difficult to diagnose. Less than 10% of patients who die from a pulmonary embolism were diagnosed with the condition. Ischemia. Ischemia is a condition in which the blood flow is restricted or reduced in the part of the body. It's the term given to the heart problem caused by narrow heart arteries. When arteries are narrow, less blood and oxygen reaches the heart muscle. It is also called coronary artery disease and coronary heart disease. This can ultimately lead to heart attack, and ischemia is often causes chest pain and discomfort. An aneurysm occurs when an artery wall is weakened and an artery expands excessively. In most cases, ventricular aneurysms form as a result of damage from a previous heart attack. Though they may also be caused by defects present from birth, ventricular aneurysms are most common in the left ventricle and is often called left ventricular aneurysms. Aneurysms in the right ventricle are very uncommon and usually don't happen. Arrhythmias is improper heart beating, and whether irregular, too fast, or too slow. Cardiac arrhythmias occur when electrical impulses in the heart don't work properly. Heart arrhythmias may feel like a fluttering or a heart racing and may be harmless. However, some heart arrhythmias may cause bothersome and sometimes even life-threatening signs and symptoms. The left ventricular aneurysm. A left ventricular aneurysm is a bulge or ballooning of the weakened area of your heart. What causes a left ventricular aneurysm? A heart attack can cause some of the heart muscle to die. When a part of the heart muscle dies, a scar usually forms where the heart was damaged. A left ventricular aneurysm does not cause any symptoms. Many of the left ventricular aneurysms are small and do not need treatment, but a large ventricular aneurysm may make it harder for your heart to pump blood to the rest of your body, a problem called heart failure. These are some of the sites that I used to help create my video, and I hope this video was very helpful with explaining heart complications and left ventricular aneurysms. Thank you for watching my video. Please make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below. And thank you for watching.